Go.
Happy Valentine's Day to all of our family, friends, and alumni. Today's a big day. We're going to announce our 2018 Chef of the Year. Our 2018 Chef of the Year is Corey Blackfall. Here's a toast to you, Corey. Corey was preparing the shrimp and crab scampi. He's going to go on our Chef of the Year wall for the whole year of 2018. Corey also wins a $190 gift certificate for a future class. We're pretty excited, Corey. Great saute action right there. Also, we have one random winner who voted for our Chef of the Year, and that is Anne Marie Ott. She wins a $100 gift certificate for a future class also. Woo, Anne Marie. We're pretty excited as we're heading in to our Valentine's weekday, and we'll see you soon, Corey. Have a great evening. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.